Our bodies and minds become canvases for technological augmentation. We marvel at medical breakthroughs where paralysis fades into memory, neurological disorders are tamed, and lost senses are resurrected. AI amplifies our cognitive abilities, accelerates knowledge acquisition, and empowers us to solve complex problems. Yet, we must navigate ethical challenges, technical labyrinths, and unforeseen consequences. The questions we confront are profound and urgent. How do we safeguard our minds from intrusion, ensure equitable access to technology, and retain our humanity in an AI-defined world? These are the challenges we must face. Section 2. A Call to Conscious Evolution, Shaping a Future Where AI Empowers Humanity. The future is a tapestry woven from our choices and values. Embracing AI's potential while safeguarding ethics is crucial. This requires a global conversation, engaging ethicists, policy makers, and citizens. We must approach with humility, recognizing our collective intelligence and diverse perspectives. Let us create a future where technology serves humanity, guided by fairness and justice. This is our call to conscious evolution to shape a just and compassionate world.